Hello and good day everyone. So today we will discuss all about the iteration statement, more focus on the while loop. Okay. So we will just run through all of the iteration statement because we will just have a concept behind of what on how of what or how to construct those kinds of loop statement. But we will be more focusing on the while statement. Okay. So the syntax for the while loop statement is this one. No? So ang keyword tadi is while. So meaning that's the keyword. Dapat naka din siya, naka correct syntax, no? All in a lowercase position. Okay. Then we have expression, and the parameter is the expression. The expression will state what will be the condition that you are going to implement on this kind of parameter. It's just like the same when you are doing on it on the if statement. And then the statement signifies of what would be, the result that you are going to be stated on each repetitive process of your expression. Depende sa expression ng inyong ginutang. So example, ang maning illustration tanong. So example, I'll just undo it. Okay. So example, we initialize the value to 0, tapos you have, let's make it a variable I. Example lang na. Variable I less than equal to 5. Okay? So meaning, this will be our expression inside the parameter of the while. Okay? So syempre may while da. Okay? Now, the variable I contains the value of 0. So meaning, ang achievable ta dapat ma-reach ta ang value na 0. So meaning, all numbers that are less than or equal to 5, then achievable number is 0. So meaning, ma-repeat ang process niya each and every time that the numbers here, according sa iyang expression, will not, it won't stop until such time that the number will become 0. Okay? So meaning, amo nang iyang pinaka objective, no, sa aton nga statement. So ga-repeat ang process, meaning mag-repeat ang process si kalima sa mag-repeat, no? Alin sa 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 then siya ang process niya. So until such time na ma-reach ang number. So that's the logical explanation with regards to the while loop. Okay? So example are ang aton nga variable naton. Although baliskat lang nung ako yung ginano ng RD ang 5 and ang 0, but still the same. Now, um, on this statement, if you have observed, so we have your int or integer n, which is our variable, equal to 10. So meaning this is the initial value of our variable n. Or kung sa math pa, let n is equal to 10. Okay? So, but this on the C++, we are using int or integer n is equal to 10. Then after that, we use the keyword while, and then we have n greater than 0. So meaning all of the numbers naman niya greater sa 0, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But the statement here contains the value of comma. So each and every time nagaloop, nagadugang mani ang imong comma nga statement. Instead of using cout 10 times, so ang ginimo niya, ang cout mo, ginloop niya 10 times. Kag nagloop man ni siya 10 times, ang imo nga cout. No? Meaning to say, each and every time nga nag-repeat, ga-repeat man ang iya nga cout nga value. Okay? Then, if you try to observe, we have here minus, minus. No? So, this is a decrement na symbol, decrement symbol, then which contains the value of n. So, if you try to compute it on a manual process, no? So, i-bagong tanin. No? So, we have I is equal to 10, right? Oh, 10 equal to 10. Then, you got while. Example, you have your while. No? So, may simple may while na. Then, let's make it n. as our example, n greater than equal to, greater than 0. So, meaning to say, tapos meron sa decrement for the value of n. Meaning to say, ang n naton, ma-start sa 10. Siyempre. And then, after that, we have n contains the value of 10. Asya. Then, all numbers ko no, nga hindi pa siya ko natatanan ko nga number nga greater sa 0. So, meaning 0 is already omitted. Okay, wala man sa i-minus. So, ang matabo no, sa aton nga ginimo, no? So, each and every time nga nga tanan ko nga number, naga-minus siya. Okay, naga-minus nga aton nga number until such time nga malambot niya ang 1. Okay, so, meaning to say, ang n ni siya may muna minus 1. Kaya ang decrement value of n is actually minus 1. Doon mo nang iyang amo nang iyan, but not, this is not negative 1. So, ma-decrement siya or manaog siya 1. Kung plus n naman, kung plus n naman, meaning ma-increase sa 1. Gets na? So, meaning, ang ining iteration process naton nga decrement n, meaning, ma-decrease sa by 1. Ang increment n naman, may increase sa 1. So, meaning to say, starting from 10, we have 10 minus 1. So, meaning to say that will become 9. Then, since wala pa na-reach ang 0 naton, okay, so, tanan nga, no nga sa 0, so, dapat malambot itong 1. So, 1, then it will become 8, then 1, and become 7, until such time, ang pinakalas siya nga i-process is 2 minus, no? Ang sige na siya nga decrement, minus 1. So, that will become 1. So, hindi kaya ko kung mag-minus 1, 0 na karon. So, since nga tanan ko nga number na greater than 0. So, meaning to say, ang greater than 0, na din natin is 1. Okay? So, gipakita ta lang ang process kung paano niya gina-decrement naman ang whole na process. Okay? So, let's try to have this example no, on our program no, sa C++. Okay? So, I hope all of you will prepare lang sa ano. No? So, the name of our project is while demo. That's the ano, no? Debutan tayo demo 1. Okay, para may damo tayo examples. Okay? So, while demo 1. So, equal to number 1. Okay, sige. So, finish. Yan. 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 So, i-ano tayo to guys, no? Ang ato ng example sa ato niya module. So, I will just copy this one para, para dasil lang ato niya. Yan. Discussion. Okay, sorry. Sige, ano ko na lang. I-pang-ano ko lang. Wait lang nila. Ayan. Okay, naka-ano siya, naka-inline sa tanan. So, I will just reconstruct process. Wait lang. I just put return 0. Ayan. Wait pa. Okay. Ayan. So, when you try to start running this program, okay, so the result will be, ayan. So, kung ano itong nagawa sa ating module. So, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then leave off. Ayan. Leave off. Okay. So, muna ang iyang process. So, nga ito niya ginimo. So, meaning, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, etc. until such time sa 1. No? So, do count down no, from 10, 9, and then leave Okay. So that's the logic behind of our while loop. So meaning kung how many times man decrement amo man na nga times nag-loop ang aton nga comma para may separation sila sa ilang numbers, no? So paano naman nag-loop atong 10 9? So meaning ang imo nga 10 9 ang itong imo nga n. Kung tanong nyo, puro variable n man kita na. No? If you try to observe all of the variables here, there's no other variable but only n. So meaning n lang ang iyang kuha. Now, kung may ara iba niya mga variable aside from n, pwede man yapon. So, hindi man ang galimit actually ang while loop sa isa lang ka variable. But this is just only one of the example of our program using the while loop. Okay? Now, kung paano naman kung increment. So, this is the example. So, we will just create another project. I will just so this time while demo 2, while demo 2. Okay, so I'll just remove the first project that we have created. Oh, sorry. Close ko lang para wala sabad. So how about if we are going to use naman increment. Okay, mga increment naman, basta naman increase sa 1. Okay. So same, we will be using the value or the variable n equal to, this time balis karon ta, let's make it 0. Okay, then we use while, then n less than equal to 10, for example naman. Less than equal to 10. Well, let's make it 1 na lang. 1. Then, we have here, magbutang sa cout, same man, and sorry. We will just change lang ang values ang ato niya. So, but we hindi na ito magbutang lift off. So, just a simple while loop. So, we have here the value of n, meaning starting from 1, then all numbers that are less than 10. So, meaning less than 10 from 10, equal to 10, meaning 10, 9, 8, 7. So, ma-increment naman sa. So, din sa ma-increment. So, meaning, din naman sa ma-start sa 1. So, ang buwa niya, kung may 0 kada, 1 to grade 1. So, meaning, ma-plus 1 naman sa. Okay. So, 1, tapos mo 2, plus 1, we have, plus 1, we have 3, plus 1, until such time ma-reach ang number na 10. So, meaning, kagina increment, it's because minus, naman niya, addition naman. So, ga-add siya nga nag-add. Okay? Siya. So, when you try to build a program, so, maning iya naman niya, output. Okay. So, we have 2, 3, 2, 1, 10. So, 10 times yun sa nag-loop. Okay, so that's the logic. Now, the next question is that, sir, about if I want this iteration skip by 2s, or depende sa inyo kung what would be the pakiso nyo lang, mas skip ko be by 2, meaning instead of 1 to 10, so ang kwaon nyo lang tanan yung mga even kag odd numbers. So pwede man nagyapon. So ang imo nyo lang gid is to make some modifications on the program. So example, if you want to get only the odd numbers, so starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. No? So meaning wala na dala si 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No? O manabi ang ato yung objective. So what we're going to do is to just initialize the value of 1, since 1 is an odd number. ang aton lang gid objective is to just extract lang the value of all odd numbers naton, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, ang imong lang gid is to make this into other form. So we will make this n plus equal to 2. Plus equal to 2 meaning ang n ma-plus sa always sa 2. So meaning ang 1 na diyo, i-replace with a plus 2. So doon muna. So each and every time that the variable n is repeated, ma-add sa 2. No? So ang gwa niya, kung tanawon tadi sa aton nga program, o extracted na sa value nga 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so what happened kung i-manual ta siya dako-dako ko na yan. Kung i-manual ta siya, sorry. Okay. Kung i-manual ta siya, since may value to nga 1 kagina, ang ato niya ay n gali, n is equal to 1, right? So, na siya. And then, ang himuon niya, since may ara tatong expression niya n sa dalog, kagina, plus equal to 2. So, manang aton niya di ariyo siya ang iteration process naton. So, what's happened is that if n here has a value of 1, ara sa okay, substitute naman lang ang value sang 1 sa n plus 2. So, what would be the result? Siyempre, 3. So, meaning, kwaon niya na yung initial value nga 1. Then, na-proceed sa 3. Tapos, si 3 naman, i-add naman siya, plus 2. Then, this will become 5. Okay? Then, 5 plus 2 will become 7. Plus 5, plus 7, sorry. Plus 2 equal to 9. So, since nga ang next naton nga iteration is 10, kay ang 10 naton, mag-plus 2 ta karon sa 9, it will become 11. So, meaning, this one will not be, terminated anymore. It's because, hasta man lang ta sa 10. No? So, ang mo lang naton, si 10, wala na nag-continue kay 10. It's because, 11 ka lang yung result. So, that's other, that's the other process naman na. Kung si even naman ang kuha nimo. So mo na ang process ang aton yung while loop naton. Okay, that is all. So same man gyapon nga program nga himuon ta. So example bigyan mo kuhaon ta naman biya ang kuhaon ta naman biya ang puro naman even numbers ang 2, 4, 6, 8. Siyempre may 10 na ta. May 10 na ta. So, ang himuon ta sa aton nga program, so instead of 1, may initial lang iti value nga 2. Then, y na, amo na dayon. So, ma 2, tapos ma 4, 6, 8, 10. So, kung tanaw ta sa atong program, okay, ari siya, no? 2, 4, 6, 10. So, manang yan naman yung process. So, kung i-manual ta to process liwat, again, ang n subong, ginislan ta to 2. Diba? Tapos, ang same man lang yapon yung formula, ang expression gamit, n plus equal to 2. So, natabo, syempre, nag-start sa value sa 2 plus 2. Then, that is 4. 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Right? 8 plus 2, that is 10. So, meaning, si 10, hindi na siya mag-add. Kung mag-add sa 12 na siya karon. Since ang aton niya condition is ara lang sa 10. So, it's up to you if you want to increase the value of the number here. Okay? Then, sige man siya pong look according sa imo ding specific value nga gusto nimo i-perform, na i-look nimo sa isa ka statement. So, that's the nice thing about the while loop. It's because you can actually, sorry, You can actually repeat the process according sa imo nga preferred nga numbers. Okay. Yan. So that is the example of our while loop. So ang imo ang nyo lang gyud is to identify lang kung kapila sa mga increment. Okay? How many times nag-loop, how many times na nag-increment, nag-decrement. Okay? Tanawon nyo ni Permi, basta gani adya ni increment. Basta minus ni gani, decrement na siya. Okay? And this is incremented the value by 2. Kung gusto naman by 3, 3 naman di ibutang nyo eh. Depending on the given problem or the given questions sa maybe sa inyo nga exam. Okay, kung mag-amo ni siya, meaning to say may incremental value 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So, mo man lang inyong meaning. Then, you just look out for the initial value. Ang aton guys nga while loop, dapat may initial value na siya. Okay, hari sa initial value. Provided kung ano man ang value ang inbutang da. Any value can be replaced, no? Pwede 1, pwede 2, pwede 3, 4, 5. Depende sa inyo nga situation that you will encounter later on kung mag-program mo or sa inyo nga exam. Okay? So, just ano lang, no? Sa aton nga examples dire, sa dato ka example naton, you can repeat the video of this example, then you can practice it sa inyo. So, last example ta. So, how about may input naman siya? Paano naman siya kung may input nga value atong cin? Kay cout ito ng perming example ta. So, let's try to have one example. Let's make it while demo 3. I think this is 3 now. So, while demo. Right? So, I just remove the project. Okay, ayan. So, let's say for example, gamit input. So, let's say to have multiplication of 10. Example. So, every time mag-input ko value nga 1, 2, 3. So, naghatag sa multiplication table of 10. O 10 lang. O, depende sa inyo kung dugangan nyo pa later on sa 20. Okay? So, meaning isa ka multiplication number. May input ka be 1. So, mahatag sa imo sang ChatGPT pag 1. When you input 1 or 2 or 3, depending on the numbers that you are going to enter, or 11 or 100 or 1,000, i-multiply niya from 1 up to 10. Multiplication table of 10. Example. So, ma-declare ka mga integer value nato sa int. We have temp or temporary equal to 0. Then we have mul. Mul equal to 0 ng Japan. And then num equal to 0 ng Japan. Then after that, mabutang that while si Altanay. Enter number to be multiplied by 10. Oops. Sorry. Then after that, while cin ta. Sorry. Cin num. Tapos i-generate ang multiply niya of numbers. So ang atong subong nga number is num, right? I know. Okay. Wait lang. Ang multa subong ay putang sorry guys. Sorry. 1 mol is less than equal to 10. Okay, multiplication table of 10. And then after that, we will put cout. Wait lang. Ma-process ko lang yun. So let's try to have the process temp is equal to 10 plus num. Then mole times or let's put an x, small x lang, times ng equal to equal to 10. Okay. Yan. Then we will increment the value of plus plus mole. So test na. So run. Okay, wait lang. Mo ay sorry. Double L ulit. Ayan. So, ayo. So, ang output niya, enter a number to be multiplied by 10. So, let's say, ay naging 2. So, ay, wala na na-operate lang. Butang mo ulit. So, hindi ko walang butang. See out. Again. Okay, so, we have enter a number to be multiplied by 10. So, let's say 6. So we have 6, 1 times 6 is 6, so 2 times 2 is 12, 2 times 3 times 6 is 18, and so on. Ayan. So any number din again input ninyo, so it will be multiplied by 10. So let's say I put 200. Ayan. So i-multiply again. Ayan. So try to observe ang ato niya variable tatlo ka bilog. Temp is equal to 0, mole is equal to 1. Amo ni siya ang starting points ng aton initial value which is 1. Then all numbers that are incremented by 10 no, until sa 10 kay multiplication of tables in by up to 10. So ano siya. So we have temp is equal to temp plus 1 plus na, meaning ang temp ta nga 0 i-replace niya any value nga return sang imo nga num. Kung si num mo di is let's say 3, so all throughout 3 na tanan ni process. Ayun ang kulang liwat. Parang ko program para makita nyo. So let's say 8 naman din. So ang tanan ni nga nam na diyo, arin nam na puro amo ni tanan ng 8. Ang mole ni amo ni ang mga 1 2 3 4 as sa 10. No, syempre yung x aring x nato ng mga symbol. Kag ang ano. So nag-repeat man ang process ni ano mo. Nag-repeated man si x, nag-repeated man si ano, si equal. So meaning kung 10 ni siya ka loop, meaning 10 man ni siya mag-repeat ang process. So ang nagwa ari ang ato niya nga result si temp. So meaning temp is equal to 0 plus di num naton. So meaning i-add mo to ang 0 plus butang tabi 8 kay 8 ang i-input ko mo. So 0 plus 8 is 8. Tapos plus 8 is 16 plus 16 plus 8 24. 16 plus 24 plus 8 32. Dudugin add yapon. Pero ang gwa niya doon nag-multiply siya. Kaya kwa yun man ang multiple values of a certain number. So meaning kung ano di ang nag-result di gina-add na until such time na makakuha niya ang number. Okay? So that's the process of our while loop. No, damo ko actually may mga applications with regards to the while loop statement. Okay? So I think that's for this lesson 4, our the coverage of our lesson for the end term. So again guys, ang aton nga coverage is the switch statement, ang atong ginikuta before, kag ang pinakalasubong si while loop naton. So mo man na ang coverage ang aton nga exam sa end term. Okay? So yeah, I think that's the wrap up of our lesson for today. So God bless on your exam guys, and stay safe no. It's because nag-ano lang ng mga monkeypox na you know, just naman lang precautions guys kung may ara face mask, face mask. So stay safe, stay healthy, and good day.